Well, now to the latest arthritis treatment providing relief for sufferers. It's called Painaway, and even the medical profession says there are some benefits.
No, this stuff's been really good.
He's one of the biggest names in AFL.
I virtually thought to myself, gee, there's something in this.
He's trained many stars of the ring, and they both have something in common with a lot of other Australians.
We'd be looking at least 1 in 4, 1 in 5 Australians suffering some form of arthritis.
With so many affected and no medical cure, Painaway is the latest treatment being hailed by sufferers such as Brisbane Lions co-captain Jonathan Brown.
Brown coming out of the square.
Yeah, it's certainly made a difference. It's been a help. Otherwise, you wouldn't be using it.
Johnny Lewis has been a sufferer most of his life, until now.
I spray the Painaway on and I do the pads, and I can, it doesn't matter how many guys I've got there, I can finish the routine with them.
What you do is you spray it on, or use the cream, apply it, rub it in lightly, and straight away that stimulates the blood flow to the area.
Steve Scale is a distributor for Painaway.
It's got emu oil, arnica, rosemary oil and Tasman blue gum eucalyptus.
Just to sit in an ordinary chair was painful.
Margaret Pitcher claims she could hardly close her hands, but after using the product,
it just immediately, the pain just eases away. It's just, well, I was short of miracle to me.
1 million Australians living with arthritis.
I have it in my hands and they're all twisted, and my neck, my back, my knees. I've had one knee operated on.
Until a few years ago, Margaret's arthritic pain was so debilitating she couldn't even bear the car ride to the Gold Coast to visit her children.
To go anywhere, go out to a concert or anything like that, just to sit in an ordinary chair was painful.
Then she discovered an Australian-made product called Painaway, a natural remedy which promises to rapidly reduce pain just by spraying it on.
You know, I can go and do things I couldn't do before. I mean, I still have some limitations, but, you know, it's been miraculous, really.
With the most severe pain in her hands, Margaret could barely bend her fingers, unable to come close to making a fist. But after rubbing this product into her hands, she says the difference is amazing.
It just immediately, the pain just eases away. It's just, well, I was short of miracle to me, you know.
6-year-old triathlete Jeff Barker is certainly a big fan. He says he uses the natural remedy before and after his intensive training sessions to prevent and reduce muscular pain.
Being an amateur triathlete, one of the things that I guess I've got to look after is longevity.
Jeff's 2 children play soccer, and he's also started using the spray on them.
Especially with running, you tend to find that you get muscle spasms in your calf muscles, also ankle pain.
Quite a few of my patients who actually swear by products like this. And
Dr. Karen Phelps has seen products similar to this pop up before.
And we know that topical application, as in spraying onto an affected joint, will actually absorb into the affected tissues and have some effect.
And more doctors like her are leaning toward treatments with natural ingredients.
I feel very uncomfortable prescribing non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs to people with arthritis, particularly the elderly, because of the serious side effects like gut bleeding and heart disease. And so I think it's very important that we look for alternatives.
Such as exercise.
It's been fantastic. Obviously, if you apply it regularly, it's been a big help.
Now Painaway joins the ever-growing list of arthritis remedies, and this Aussie invention is fast becoming a hit overseas.
I've sent it to Japan, to a Japanese marathon runner who's a doctor there. I've sent it to the States. I've even sent it to Guam.
And there's more information on that story at our 9MSN website.